everyone, welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. In front of me is the papaya. Yes, I know a lot of you know what I want to cook. I want to cook the papaya salad. Let's get started. Alright, I got a half of green papaya. I'm gonna cut another side out and remove the seeds. Cut the end and peel it. You can find green papaya in Asian grocery store. Of course, you wish to eat Asian food, you have to go in an Asian store. Okay, and then chop it. Please be careful, do not chop your finger. We want to eat papaya salad, not finger salad, okay? After chop it, slice the papaya into thin strips as I am doing here. If you think it takes too much of your time, you can use a mandolin slicer. Now we got the beautiful shaded papaya, then add a little more shaded carrot for more color and sweetness. I want to add papaya and carrot together, but if you don't like carrot, you don't need to mix it, okay? I think I got too much. Let me take some of them out. I want just 150 grams of papaya. I have to say mixed papaya, so now we on the same page, okay? Okay, I got long bean. I'm gonna cut into chop like this, but if you cannot find it, you can go with fresh green bean and add as you need. I got dark shrimp, the same one used for pad thai. I used two kinds of tomatoes. The regular one provide a little sweet, but the cherry tomato provide a sour taste. Brown sugar, I use this one. When you go shopping at the Asian store, you will easily find it. I use for tom yum goong and pad thai. And fish sauce, I use this one for salad because it has a lively smell. Alright, my parsley and mortar are ready. I got 3, maybe 2 fresh Thai chili. Make sure we won't get burnt, okay? And a curve of garlic. Then add a little papaya to protect spatching of the chili. Pound them together. Add long beans in and pound them, but don't pound too much, just like this. Add a little loaded peanut as you need, then pound them. Don't pound too much, we want to eat peanut, doesn't butter peanuts, okay? And add a little dried shrimp. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Slice a piece of regular tomato and 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes cut in half. Add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then pound to mixing everything together, but gently pounding. Then add mixed papaya in, and I want to add a few more pieces of lime for more aroma. Then pound to mixing very well. Finish. It looks so good. Okay, place on a plate. Then sprinkle with dried shrimp and loaded peanuts. Ooh, my dinner is ready. My goodness, it looks so good. Let's taste it. Wow, it tastes so good. It's not spicy. It's a nice balance for sweet and sour. You can have it with sticky rice, fried pork, grilled pork, or fried chicken, whatever you want to eat with. My recipe I give you in description below this video. Don't forget to check it, okay? Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye!